Hi, I'm Dr. Karen Becker, and the vast majority of pets that I see are dealing with some sort of immune dysfunction. Their immune systems may be in overdrive, resulting in allergies and itchy skin, or it may be compromised and unable to mount an adequate immune defense against opportunistic pathogens, which means their pets are chronically predisposed to recurrent infections. One of the most serious consequences of a very confused immune system occurs in the form of autoimmune diseases, in which the immune system, which is designed to protect the body, actually is so confused that it attacks the body instead. As more and more people realize the importance of a balanced immune system to the health of their companion animal, they search for ways to boost their pet's immune function. Over the years, I found 4 substances that consistently stand out for their ability to promote and restore immune balance, regardless of whether the immune system is under or overperforming, or a combination of both. The first supplement that I use is arabinogalactans, and specifically Western larch tree arabinogalactans, which are a special type of soluble fiber that acts as prebiotics. And then when you feed your pets these prebiotics, arabinogalactans, they are very, very nourishing for the gut. And many of you already know that the bulk of your pet's immune system is actually located in their gut. About 70% of immune function is located in the small intestine. The second substance that I've found really beneficial is colostrum, which is contained in the first milk a mammal mother produces for her newborn within the first few hours of birth. There's actually about 1,000 clinical studies that document the potential benefits of colostrum, specifically bovine or cow colostrum. A hormone in colostrum called proline-rich polypeptide, or PRP, helps balance immune function. The third substance is a superfood called moringa. And I love moringa because it's a powerhouse of nutrition that helps promote healthy, balanced immune system responses. It contains a lot of food-based vitamins, minerals, phytonutrients, polyphenols, and antioxidants that can really help cellularly nourish a struggling immune system. The fourth substance that I love for immune support is it's called yeast fermentate. And while it is a yeast product, it has no negative immunologic effects or no yeast reactions. So yeast fermentate can support a normal, healthy immune system response and promote digestive function as well as gut health. I specifically designed this product for targeted support for pets with over or underactive immune systems, but it can absolutely be used very successfully to maintain immune homeostasis or balance in healthy animals or animals that are undergoing stressful events, such as boarding a pet, traveling, going to dog park visits, or visiting other high-risk locations where your pets could be exposed to infectious disease or opportunistic pathogens. Pets who can especially benefit from these immune-balancing nutraceuticals are rescue pets and pets that are born immunodeficient. So shelter pets really could reap the benefits of this product, as well as animals that are chronic poor doers or animals that just aren't thriving. So today, for the first time, I'm very excited to announce a brand new product from Mercola Healthy Pets, and I've blended all 4 of these top immune substances that I've been using individually for all these years into one great product for pets that have immune dysfunction or imbalances. Because all of these substances work on different parts of the immune system, they now work synergistically for overall immune health when combined all together. So it's really easy because they're combined into one product. Pet immune balance is safe for cats and dogs, safe for animals of any age and any breed. If you have a pet with any sort of health challenge stemming from immune system dysfunction or imbalance, I hope that you'll give my new Pet Immune Balance a try.